Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can go ahead and sell your NOTCOIN in the TONKEEPER wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now inside the mobile application, you can then go ahead and select the buy and sell option. And once inside, you can just go ahead and proceed to the sell category. Now inside the sell category, unfortunately, there are no ways on how you are going to sell your NOTCOINs inside the TONKEEPER wallet. Meanwhile, inside the buy section, we can then go ahead and buy NOTCOINs inside our TONKEEPER wallet. Now, what we can do in this situation is transferring our NOTCOIN asset into another wallet like OKX. And once inside OKX, you can just go ahead and get the address for this specific wallet, and inside the TONKEEPER wallet, you can just go ahead and click on send, paste the address, and from here you can then go ahead and select your NOTCOIN. Right there, you will be able to sell your NOTCOIN in wallets like OKX. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.